Welcome back to the course Information Systems Strategy. In this lecture, we go over CIO's communication with top management team as well as social media strategy. In the previous lecture, we learned about risk and the conceptualization of risk. We learned about various types of IT risk, and we also learned crisis communication strategies when an IT risk is materialized. In this lecture, we try to help the CIO Jim Barton with answering three questions. How to increase top managers' trust in the CIO, what can a CIO do about the blockers, how he can spot emerging technologies, and whether take a restrictive or supportive social media policy. At the end of this class, you can enumerate factors that influence the trust in the CIO. You can recommend ways to increase the trust in the CIO. You are able to find emerging technologies and their maturity level. You can describe how using social media can influence job productivity and job security. And you can evaluate the information richness of an individual's social network. In the next video, I will go over top management's trust in the CIO.